Kissflow Review 2024. Kissflow is a no-code process automation platform designed to help businesses automate workflows and streamline operations. In 2024, Kissflow continues to stand out for its ease of use and flexibility, enabling users to create custom workflows without the need for technical skills. The platform supports a wide range of business processes, including approval workflows, project management, and HR functions, making it adaptable across different industries. Its drag and drop design tool allows for a quick task automation, while its built in analytics help track and evaluate performance effectively. Guestflow's strength lies in its intuitive no-code interface, flexible and customizable workflows, and its suitability for various business processes. It also integrates well with many third-party tools, providing additional functionality. However, the platform's pricing can be a drawback for a small business, and some advanced users may find the customization options somewhat limited. Overall, Kissflow remains a strong option for businesses seeking a no-code automation platform, though pricing could be a little challenge for a smaller companies.